Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Monica. So today we are going to do a quick mini Nykaa haul. I got few items from the hot pink Nykaa sale in the month of November for rupees 1780 rupees. In the order, I got some items from the brand the Derma, Nykaa and the Face Shop. So let's do the unboxing. The first product I got is the Face Shop Rice and Ceramide Moisturizing Emulsion, which retails for rupees 846. The second item I got my hands on is the face wash by the Derma. This is their 1% salicylic acid gel face wash with witch hazel for active acne, and it retails for rupees 278. The next item which I got is Nykaa Lash Talk Paradise. Sorry, Nykaa Lash Talk Super Sizer Volumizing Mascara. This is a very nice mascara which gives you a voluminous eyelashes, and it retails for rupees 339. The last thing I got in my order is Nykaa 8-hour long lasting full cover matte gloss in the shade Wild 1. I got it for rupees 549. This is basically a matte lipstick with the gloss, and the free gift I got with my order is free Nykaa Masala perfume. This is a very strong feminine smell, and if you are a person who likes floral scents, you might not like it. There may be a chance that you might not like it. So let's try the products. First, I'm going to try the Derma 1% salicylic acid face wash. So it claims that it is for the active acne, and it also reduces your tanning and pigmentation, and its main claim is to prevent the acne. So it has a gel based consistency. You can see on my face that it does not foam much. I have used it for more than 15 days and I am really liking it. You can see my face after the face wash. It's very clean, but it made my skin a little dry. And to mention that I am a little oily kind of person, I have an oily skin. Then I am trying the emulsion by the face wash, and in the video I am trying a lot to uh, get the product out of the bottle. This is a moisturizer, lightweight moisturizer for the daily daytime use, and it's made of rice. It's very hydrating and its smell is very nice. You can see the glow on my face after using it. The last thing I am going to review is the lipstick by Nykaa. The wand of the lipstick was very soft and it was very easy to apply. It was a little plum kind of shade, not too not too dark, but plum shade. Here I am showing you a swatch of this lipstick. This is a gloss which turns into a matte lipstick after a few hours.